Hey, it's Mike from Mike's Custom Wood Crafts. If you want to find out about awesome knives like these draw knives and the difference between them and how to use them, hit that subscribe button. Let's get to it. Okay, some of the things you should know about these type of draw knives is the differences. And to be honest with you, when I started doing this, I didn't really know the differences. I just bought one I saw on the internet and I thought, hey, it's a draw knife. Let's do it. This one right here, it's called a Flex Cut. It's a 5-inch. This is the one I started using when I started doing log stuff. And it's kind of dainty. What I came to find out, it's more for like intricate, like carvings and duck carvings and different things like that. You can use it for log stuff, but it's not really good for hogging off big chunks. Um, it's it's a thinner steel, and it has like a plated uh, sharp area here for the actual cutter of the knife. This one to me is kind of like you really have to take care in your sharpening and all that. What I did find out as I went on in time, that this type of heavy duty knife, this Timber Tough TMB, this is a 8-inch. It's a heavy duty gauge steel, 5 millimeter thick blade, and yeah, it's good for like hogging off, fair amounts of wood and bark, and it's made more for furniture making and stuff like that. This one has removable handles, and what I like about that is I can take these handles off, and I can take it on the grinder and just go back and forth without the handles being in the way. That was one of the things I really liked about this, and it's heavy duty. I mean, this one, you have to kind of be more precise with the way you hog off to make a nice sharp edge again. You don't want to mess this one up. It's not very thick. So those are some of the things that I noticed, and I really haven't even started using this one yet. We can do a little bit right now and we'll find out together kind of what it's like. So let's do that. Also, the price on these, this one I got from Amazon. I believe I paid $28 for it. I think well worth it. This Flex Cut, I believe I also paid close to 25 bucks. And this I also got on Amazon. Um, just to give you an idea of the price point, some go higher. So I'll leave that up to you. This, I don't do it that much, so this fell into my price range. So check it out and you can kind of look through them and figure out what you need. Okay, now we're set up. One other thing I wanted to let you know is that this is an 8-inch straight. You can kind of tell by looking down it. It doesn't really have any bows to it. This also, this 5 inches is straight. Some actually will have a curve, and what that curve does is just let you sit a little lower on the blade, on the handles here, so you can get like more of a plunge down on it. I don't like curved for my setup here because I have it in this V holder, and what I'm afraid of is if I'm up in here and my hands are down here, I'm going to be hitting this, as opposed to here where I can kind of just stay a little higher, get around it better. So this is what the 8-inch looks like. More aggressive angle for the hands, heavier duty blade. Now, this 5 inches a little bit more daintier. I can actually feel the blade flex when I'm doing this. That's pretty much the difference. Lighter workload, heavier workload, and you can get it in, like I say, the curved to different degrees, heavy curve, light curve. Any draw knife is a personal preference. I just want one for hogging, and having one for detailing is fine. I really don't think there's real major, no right or wrong, but see this, the tang doesn't go all the way through on this. If I would have known things like that, I might have not have got this particular one. One where it goes all the way through, you know, it's a little heavier duty. I've heard of, in a situation like this type, actually pulling off the end of the metal. In this, where it's actually bolted and it goes all the way through, a little bit more heavy duty. So those are some things to think about. I just kind of wanted to talk to you about that stuff, give you an idea where to start, and I hope this helped. If it helped, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. We'll talk about more stuff like this in the future. Thanks. You guys are awesome.